So we are in MongoDB. I'm going to demo how easy it is to do a MapReduce job using MongoDB. So the first step is to create a database for our demonstration, DemoDB underscore MapReduce underscore 1. Database is created. The next step is to create a collection with some test data. For this, I'm going to import a JSON file so that it will create a collection. Import collections. Import source files. Add the source file. Customer underscore test data.json is a file. This file has list of orders and customer details. So 8 documents are imported and the collection must be created. Our database name is DemoDB underscore mpread underscore 1. So under this we must see the collection. Yes, we got the collection, that is customer underscore test data. Let us see the values in the collection. So the document has 5 fields: ID field, customer ID, status, price and items. In JSON view, customer ID field, status field, price and items is a array which has both quantity and price. In the documents, as you can see, the cust ID is repeated. For example, in this case and in this case. We are going to use MapReduce to calculate the total purchases by each customer. So we'll be using customer ID field and the price field. The next step is to click the MapReduce in the toolbar. On clicking this, we are presented with a form. The collection on which the MapReduce is going to work on, that is a customer test data. In the form, you can see many tabs. The first tab is the options tab, which specifies where the output has to be. Under output action, we have 4 options: inline, replace, merge and reduce. We'll be using replace. Replace is for creating a new collection or replacing an existing collection. To see what are the other options, click on this icon. Inline, replace, merge and reduce. Replace is what we are going to use. Replaces the contents of the output collection if it exists. If it is not, then it will create a new collection. So I selected the replace option. The next step is to create the output collection. The output collection name is going to be customer reports. The output database is our same database. The next step is to filter the input data. Here you can specify the query. Currently we don't have any query to filter out the data. Let me give a dummy condition: price greater than 0. Price is greater than 0. Next one is map. This is the auto-generated function for map. It emits key and value. In our case, as I discussed previously, we are going to select customer ID and the price field. So instead of key, I'm going to specify this dot customer ID, and for value it is this dot price. Now we have finished map. Let us move to reduce. In the auto-generated code, if you can see here, it takes 2 parameters, key and values. And we have some auto-generated code. I'm not going to use this. So let me take it out. Array dot sum of the values. Values is the price. And we are returning the reduced value. We are just adding all the price and then returning it. Next step is to beautify the output. So for that we have finalize. The first step is to select this checkbox, that is to use finalize. Similar to reduce, finalize takes two parameters, key and reduced value. I'm going to replace this one. The customer with ID, key value plus has made a total purchase of this is going to be the reduced value which we got from the reduce method. So we are done with finalize. Global we are not going to use now. Now we are going to run the MapReduce process. So on clicking this icon here, it's going to run the MapReduce process. It successfully finished it. So 8 documents. We have 6 results here. As we have seen previously, ACD is repeated twice and UUU123 is repeated twice. So we got 6 results, 6 records. Let us see the collection. Refresh all. We got customer reports collection. Open collection view. The customer with ID ABC123 has made a total purchase of 25. Our MapReduce job has successfully added the price for every customer and it has inserted into a separate collection. So using MongoChef for MapReduce takes less time. It will add more clarity to your work. So I personally and strongly recommend to use MongoChef for your MapReduce operations.